Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, like I said, I will be doing a room tour. Since my room is so small, it's gonna be a really quick tour, so please bear with me. I moved out from my house, the house that I live with my sister and my parents. I moved out to apartment with my other sister. When I say sister, I have 3 sisters and 1 brother, so just in case, FYI, not only 1 but 3. Fortunately, my sisters and her husband got divorced, so she has 2 boys and they have to move out. So she was like begging me to move with them. I said yes. So I moved out with them and living in an apartment. I have not lived in an apartment for so long. So as you guys know, I have a lot of stuff, a lot of things in my room. But imagine having a smaller room in apartment, which is like very chaos. If you guys like my room tour, please subscribe and like and comment down below which one is your favorite. And you know, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, which is CHINLADY, CHINLADY, Lai Nu Kasi, CHINLADY. So yeah. So when you come into my room, you will see the sign that say please knock, because a lot of people don't know how to knock. So hello, come in. Okay, I'm coming in. So when you first come in, you will see my bed right away. So I got this for Valentine's Day from my boyfriend. I have this at my previous room. I kept this. I really love this one. This is all my favorite people in there. My family, niece, nephews, everybody. Let's start with here. So this one, I hate to see the door, whatever that they have. So they have this kind on the door, so I didn't want it, so I have to cover all of them. I bought this at Walmart. It's so cheap. It's only $10. It's only $5. I found one in Amazon, but it's like $10. I had to return it and get it out. I got it from Walmart. If you guys want to cover something that you don't like, you don't want to see, like messy to all, this is the best way to do it. And then even though this is only the 1 floor, I have to keep my refrigerator. There's not much in there. It's just only drink and something. I know I have to go buy something. And right here, since I don't have much space again, I have to put all my brushes and stuff right here where I can see it. And this is just my hamper. My sister got it for me, but I don't know where she got it. It's my pictures and some certificate award. This is the best thing for me living in this apartment. It's because this is from IKEA, and if it's like all my clothes in there, so I don't have to worry about and stuff to put in, so I really need it too. On top of that, I put all my bag. It's right there. Guys, I don't know how long I can keep it, but I try my best. So when you first open this one, it has one like door. It has like one smaller door and then a big door right here. I will show you guys in a few minutes. So right here I put my work clothes. Right here I put some of my winter clothes, stuff I don't really want to. And then right here I put some of my clothes, t-shirt. I have a lot of t-shirt. Yep. And then the good thing about is right here you can have the mirror. My room is full of mirror. And this one is like my, you know, just casual clothes that I wear pretty much like every day. Right here you can hang your stuff. And on the bottom I have my jeans, pants, legging. And on the bottom shelf I have skirt, short pants, and pants that I don't really wear. Okay, that's it for this one. And then right here I have all my lightil balls. Go here. This is what we wear on Sunday. Yep, and then I have my winter clothes right there again. And then right here I have my dress, and this is for like Sunday outfit and, you know, wedding and all that stuff. And I have my pants, and on the bottom I have my top for lightil. And then you won't be able to open this door because of this mirror. If I have to open this door, then I have to move this mirror again. So yeah, that's it. So this is my mirror. I got this from my sister too. You can get this from Walmart, Meijer, Target. You can get it anywhere. And this is my single bed I have. And right here I have my this is originally from my workplace. They were trying to give it away and I took it. This is actually a chip rack. It worked really well. And right here I put some of my bag that I use it pretty much every day. And you know how I collect mugs? I put them right there. And I have some of my plants and another plants right there. And there's my picture of me, the Great Wall, China, and beautiful place in Myanmar. And I have my ring light right here. And this is my study table. Guys, this is so cool. Like, you can charge everything in here. Like, I charge my phone, my laptop, everything. You know, you don't need an outlet anymore if you have this. I also got this from Amazon, which is $40. I'll link down below. And this study table is not really a study table. It's a swing table. My sister had it. She was gonna throw it away, but I said no, I'll keep it. We have a bigger study table, but the reason why I want to keep this table is just it has 3 drawers right here that you can storage all your books and whatever that you want to do. And this one is also from Amazon. This is so cool. Here you have the power that you can turn it on. See that? So cool. And then turn it off. And then you can put your phone right here. Let me show you guys about the secret of this table. Ouch. You know why I like about this table? Ta-da! More space, and you can also do it over there too. Ouch, that was heavy. So this is one thing. The reason why I like this table, you got it now. And right here I have to storage my socks and all my perfume. Oh no, not perfumes, hairspray, blah blah blah. And right here all my makeup and lipstick and sponge. As you guys know, Tuan Tin Par sent me a lot of lip gloss. Right here I have them. She sent me this, and even a lot of Huda Beauty, and right there eyeshadow palette. And this is, I got this from Bagan. I just put my everyday wear makeup right here, put it. And then this is where I have my perfumes. For now I use this a lot every day. My sister got it for me. Powder, perfume, my watch, some of my makeup, jewelry. This is my tiny mirror, picture of me and my boyfriend. This cabinet, I got this from Amazon. They also have it on Target. This is really nice and neat. I love it. I put all my jewelry on top. And the second, I put all my foundation and my makeup remover. On the third drawer, I put all my highlighter, concealer. On the fourth drawer, I have my eyeshadows and some glitter and lipstick. On the fifth drawer, I have my lashes and some of the eyeshadows and concealer. Sixth drawer, I have my nail polish and bobby pin and all the hair. And seven, I put all my junk in here. I have my TV right here. Yep. I think I got everything, guys. That's all about my room tour. It's not that long. It's not too much. It's not that crazy. Whatever that I remember, I'll link down below on description box if you guys want to get it. But if I don't link it below, then which means I don't remember where we got it. So anyway, thank you so much for watching my YouTube channel. Guys, cái YouTube channel ng lunglomhnak tampi ngei. Please don't forget to subscribe and like my videos and follow me on Instagram. And I really appreciate that you took the time to watch my video. Other than that, I'll see you all later. Bye. Thank you.